especially those that go into our high notes, our low notes, or our middle notes, we're going to warm up our breath support. We're each going to take a nice low, deep breath in, and I'm going to count for 4 counts. You're going to hold that breath for 4, and then you're going to hiss out like your lungs are a balloon for 8. So you're going to breathe in for 4, hold that breath for 4, and then hiss out for 8 counts. And then we'll immediately breathe in again, hold again, and then we'll hiss out for, actually we'll start with 8, then we'll go to 12. I'll walk you through every step of the way. Check your posture, and it's totally okay to be sitting. Take a nice low, deep breath in. Hold for 4. 1, 2. Now hiss out for 8. Breathe in. 2, 3. Hold for 4. 1, 2. Hiss out for 12. So we are going to hum, and I'll add on to it, but for now, just those 3 notes. 1, 2, on a hum, here we go. Deep breath. But now it's 2, 3, 4. And now adding on a little bit more here, it's going to sound like this. Is not enough challenge, you could do it on a lip trill or a lip buzz, which is we're going to start this scale slow and then we'll speed it up over time, and I will play every note that you sing in this scale on a hum or a lip buzz. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to try something called a vocal slide. It's going to sound like this on 2 notes, so beginner slides. We're going to sing the words E, ah, and E. I said words, I meant vowels. We'll sing the vowels E, ah, E. So E, ah, and E. I'll tell you why we'll do this in just a second, but let's try that scale first. 1, 2, 3, on deep breath in. Now notice I never stop my sound. I'm singing E and I'm sliding. E. I'm not singing E, ah, E. It's E, ah, E. Let's do a few more here. 1, 2, 3 with me. E, ah, E. E, ah, That same exercise. Anytime you're singing E, I want you to sing quieter. When you sing ah, you will sing louder. This is the first exercise in projecting, singing louder. And I like this scale because anytime you're singing ah, you are singing louder. Anytime you're singing E, it's softer. Here's a quick example. It'll be E, ah, E. Anytime we're on that E, we're also lower in our range, and we're going to sing softer. 1, 2, 3, same scale. E, ah, E, ah, E. Two more here. Still in our middle range. Ooey, 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 ooey. We're singing the vowels oo and E on the same note. Ooh should have such round lips. It feels like you have a straw in your mouth. Ooh, and then E is a very spread vowel. Ooey, 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 ooey. This time I'm not sliding at all. I'm just singing right down the scale on ooh and E, starting slow and getting a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Back down the scale. Two more. Last one. Let's go to number 5 on the list, our low range. Now, for me, even though I am a voice teacher and I work with a lot of students and I do a lot of like musicals and singing performances, my low range is still the range I am technically the weakest in because I don't sing a lot of songs that are in super low ranges. We're going to start with the word V, V-E-E. V, 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 V. We're going to go down the scale. If we get to a note that's too low for you, you can just wait until we go back up in the range. So on the word V, V-E-E. 1, 2, 3, 4. V, 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 V. 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 Three more. V, 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 V. V, 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 V. Last one. V, 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 V. You'll notice whenever we do high notes, I really like ah vowels, where we drop our jaw and we make what's called a taw vowel. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. 1, 2, deep breath. 3, 4. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. want to be very careful we don't let out a lot of air. If you hear this in singing, ah ha 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 ha, that means the singer is letting out too much air. So you want to keep what I call constant vowels. Ah. If anyone here has seen The Little Mermaid, Ariel has to sing that ah. I had to work with a singer once who did that, and a lot of times when I got up really high, I would hear a ah ha 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 ha, and we had to really practice just hearing the ah, keeping just the A vowel. It really comes down to listening to what you are doing. Every voice can take out those H's and just sing the vowels. It's just hearing it and understanding, oh, I don't want to do that. But let's try. Down. Totally up to you. 1, 2, 3 on a hum. Exhale out. One more time, in and out. Now, if you have any plans today to sing, practice any other songs, you are fully warmed up.